At 9:48 this morning, we're learning about magnetic fields and how easy it is to make an electromagnet with objects right around your house. This morning, we're making magnets. STEM Nola staff member Jazmine Crockett joins us along with 5th grader Owen Rosenbach to show us how it's done. Good to see y'all. How you doing?
Doing good. It's good. How are you?
I'm doing well. We were just talking about dad jokes here in the break, and I know Owen was not too pleased with my joke that this was going to be a shocking demonstration. No. All right, Owen, Jazmine, tell us what do we have here? What are we doing?
So today we're going to be building an electromagnet using a bolt, copper wire, a battery, and a paper clip.
Okay, all stuff that you probably have around your house, right?
Yeah.
All right, so tell us how it's done.
So first we're going to take the bolt and wrap the copper wire around it like this.
Now it's important that you wrap the copper wire around it, right?
Yeah. If you don't do it, it probably won't work as well. Then you take the battery, and you got to make sure that the wire is connected to the tip of the battery.
Okay.
Like that. Then you bring it up. Oh no.
Got it.
All right, so you got on each end, on both terminals of the battery there. I see it moving a little bit.
There it is. There it is. Awesome.
Oh.
So Owen, does it work the opposite way if you turn the battery the opposite way?
Yeah.
I don't believe you. Show me.
Oh, let's see it. So like a magnet normally would like push away. If it was an opposite magnet, it would push away metal, right?
But in this case, it won't. It'll just it'll keep pulling it in.
Awesome.
Oh, nice. Okay, so either way, so it's creating it there, and it's what's so cool is it turns the bolt into a magnet.
Yeah.
Right? And that bolt isn't an actual. You didn't just like sneak in a magnet bolt, right? Because look, it doesn't work without it.
So how is this different from a magnet?
Because this is an electromagnet. The difference is you can find magnets in nature, and with electromagnets, you can make them at your house using electricity, and they're used from everything from doorbells to cranes.
So we can make bigger magnets that might be able to be used with big situations, like you said, a crane.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're using an electromagnet.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool there.
So how does it work? So what makes it an electromagnet?
The battery generates like electricity. It creates a magnetic field, which uses a magnet to pick up the paper clip.
That's awesome. What I love about this, Owen, is that this is just something you can easily do at home with your kiddos today, maybe, while you're telling them the dad jokes that we were talking about. Of course, you got to tell dad jokes. But this is it teaches you one of these properties that can help you, create so many different things. I know, Jazmine, I'm sure you know that electromagnets are used in so many different ways throughout our life that we may not even realize, right?
Yep, all kind of technology. So just like this activity that Owen did today, the second Saturday of every month, we have a STEM Saturday where students can do activities just like this. And upcoming, we have a chemistry day and a heart day. And Owen, you want to tell them a little bit about what you've done at both days?
Yeah. So at the heart day, we got to build a model heart and dissect the heart.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
And at the chemistry day, we got to build a chemical clock. It was extremely fun.
You heard it here from the mouths of babes there. You are building chemical clocks and electromagnets and dissecting hearts. You get your kids involved in STEM, they're going to have a fun time. I appreciate y'all coming in. Thanks for bringing that electromagnet, and enjoy your day off of school, all right?
Okay.
All right. Take care now. Time now.